Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be looking at the Denim Tears Sky High Farms tee and then also some Union Jordan 4s. Alright, so before we get into this t-shirt, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. We're going to grow this channel, show people you can be positive, you can have a great mental attitude, you can be yourself, do things you want to with your life. But anyways, this Sky High Farms, such a cool company. I'm so glad that they do what they feel is right. They're helping people in New York have access to really fresh foods, really healthy sources of food, and just like non-processed and whatnot. I got this from Dover Street Market. Is the website. And then also Denim Tears. Oh, I've been waiting and waiting for a shirt that I liked from them. I mean, they got a lot of cool stuff already, but I don't know, I just gotta be more picky just because I don't have a ton of funds. I mean, I work a lot. I work like 12 hours a day, it seems like. Today, actually, I only had to work 10 hours. That was nice, but I do work quite a bit, and so I can try out all these dope street brands and whatnot. But Denim Tears has a great message. If you don't know about them, definitely check them out. They've got their website up. They're dropping some Converse. I know, I mean, probably not if you're watching this video a little bit later, but they dropped some Converse that I think are pretty dope. And so anyways, yeah, we're not looking at those. We're looking at this shirt. It's got the Sky High Farms logo right on there, as you can see. It's just in this plastic, totally unbranded, nothing on that plastic, so we won't even check on that. But the shirt itself, pretty lightweight shirt. It's going to be 100% cotton. It's probably made ethically, I'm guessing, because Denim Tears does that. It looks like it's actually a Champion shirt. So if you think Champion makes ethical clothing, your Denim Tears is printed right over the top of this Champion tag. Size medium. I thought I'd just, you know, go with that. And there's this other tag on here as well with some sizing information and whatnot. So yeah, way down at the bottom of the back of it, basically. Anyways, we got that table with the fresh fruits on there, fruits and veggies. Looks like, what do we got on here? It's kind of hard to tell. We got some flowers, you know, some lilacs. What are these, snapdragons? I don't know. And you got pears, you got, what are these, apples? Are they supposed to be apples? I don't know what this pumpkin looking thing is supposed to be, but then you got your knife to be able to cut it all up and everything. You got your Sky High Farms logo up in the top corner, and then your Denim Tears logo down here below at the bottom with obviously the cotton plants there. Like I said, definitely look up Denim Tears, and they've got a great movement that they've got going on. And then on the back, you do have Sky High Farms in Hudson Valley, based there in New York, and then your Champion little sewn on tag. I normally don't buy a whole lot of Champion, but when different brands have collabs, then I'm able to, you know, pick one up. There is a little bit of a defect on this one. They've got some brown right up there, probably from the ink, hopefully from the ink. But anyways, I'll go ahead and I will throw this one. Well, maybe I should show you this tag from Dover Street Market. I mean, it's nothing that special. It's just Dover Street. So depending on where you buy the tee from, it's probably not going to have this tag on there. It just depends on, yeah, who you get it from. So let's go ahead. Let's try it out, and you tell me what you think. And yeah, so this one fits like a regular medium, just a sports kind of a medium. Not super like slim fit or anything. It still has a nice shoulder room for me. This is about as small as a medium can go for me and still feel comfortable. Yeah, you got those graphics on the back. And yeah, this is dope one on the front. I really like that I finally have a Denim Tears shirt. And I like that they're also supporting this non-profit farm organization place that helps people who really need it. Because yeah, we all need some help sometimes. We all need someone we can lean on when we're not strong. And people who be our friends help us carry on. We're gonna get into these Jordan 4s. I'm opening up this box upside down because I'm a rebel and I don't follow the rules. I open boxes up upside down. I did pick up these Unions from the Jordan raffle, or the sneakers raffle I should say, which was pretty exciting. What's not as exciting is the condition of this box. It's all bent up here, but yeah, I did get the Deltas as well. I already have a video for those. Got in a car accident and then somebody offered to buy them from me, and so now they're gone, but I have these Jordan 4s. These Jordan 4s. These Jordan. Oh, come on. Well, the paper is kind of cool. I mean, come on. You're looking at Jordan. This is actually on one of their apparel pieces that they had with Jordan like looking down and signing autographs or something like that. Yeah, he's signing an autograph. Look, this person has paper. There's a pen. Someone's got a shoe up here. Probably they want... No, wait. That's just another pen. Yeah, okay. Well, they did have a bunch of apparel that came out. I didn't even get one of their apparel pieces, but I got these Jordan 4s. Like, literally, I got the most coveted of the items, maybe. Probably the most available. I think they made like 100,000 of these or 500,000 of these. I don't know. They made quite a few. And yeah, you got that wonderful hang tag with that pastel blue purple on there. Let's see, what kind of an insole are we dealing with? Oh, just kind of a nice cushiony stuff here. Might be a type of new zoom that they've been using on their insoles to make them a little more comfy for the 4s. But yeah, and then you just have like the regular bottoms for the 4s with the stitching from up top like coming down and then taped down inside of there. And then yeah, there's this rubber pull tab here, and then the tongue is a little crazy. You've got a bunch of loose stitching all over, so you can undo the stitching or the stitched down tongue. If anybody wants to undo that, it's fairly easy. They made that really simple to undo. It's not even on there tight. You could literally probably just pull it right out. If you wanted it to stay, you might actually want to tie those strings together so the tongue doesn't come unraveled on you. I mean, maybe it'll just stay, but I don't know. I really wish that those deltas were still with me though, because I would have liked to have compared them, but I literally did not think I had a chance to get these from the sneakers app. So I am excited that I did get lucky on this pair. Just add them to the collection here. I don't know, like they're really kind of crazy colors. I don't know how I'm gonna match them. Might just hold on to them for a while and just wait. But you know, if I put on these yellow laces now we're talking. Like literally, I'm gonna be able to match them with everything if I put these yellow laces on. Don't you think? Don't you think? Come on, comment. What do you type? We have the Jordan 4 Deltas. We've got this, what do you even call this piece right here? Does anybody have a name for this plastic piece that comes up for the eyelets? I mean, this thing is just one solid piece, and all the other Jordan 4s ever, probably, they've always cut out this middle section. This one, totally not. Totally trying to be different. And then they have like this one shoe here, and they're trying to make like a second shoe. You got two shoes together with this second part being this blue color. I mean, I'm just guessing that's how they're trying to make you think of this shoe, because literally it's just like a black and yellow shoe, but then they got this one blue part at the ankle area. And so I think they're trying to say, like, you know, if you wear long pants and you know, you got one look, but if you wear shorts or shorter pants, and you know, you got a different look, you know. But now I'm just trying to pull for any sort of content for what to say about this insane pair of Jordan 4s. I mean, you've got all of this white stitching in here. It's almost a really light gray, actually. I don't think it's white, honestly, but you got all that contrast in there. Most of the time when brands drop contrast stitch items, they're not super hot, but for some reason Union does it and they're super fly. Like, it's just, you know, it's just super fly or whatever. You do have your air unit in there, so you can see right through to the other side. Do your cool telescope stuff like you used to do as a kid, you know, with your air units. I mean, did you guys do that? My parents were never gonna buy me shoes unless... No. So definitely tell me your thoughts on these Jordan 4s, if you like them, if you think they're totally whack. It's just insanely crazy looking. Even if I wanted to wear these right away, I definitely wouldn't, because the weather is so bad right now. I literally have been walking in snow to deliver mail, but it's also slushy, so it's super muddy, like crazy everywhere. It's just... it is not good. It's not good at all, but at least now I have two pairs of 4s, right? Which ones? Come on, guys. Tell me. Type! Seriously, this is real time. I should be able to like know what you guys are saying by now. Anyways, I am gonna shoot some positivity at you guys before I get off of this review video thing. T-shirt, shoes, cool, right? Malcolm X, I need, because of Denim Tears, I feel like I should do a Malcolm X quote, because Malcolm X is awesome, and he wrote this book called By Any Means Necessary, and you should read it if you haven't. Yeah, especially if you want to learn something. Anyways, one of the quotes in here: "You're not to be so blind with patriotism that you can't face reality. Wrong is wrong, no matter who does it or says it." So good. Literally, that quote speaks for itself. Yeah. What can no. I love you all. And see you in the next one. Peace.